Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy unboxings. Today is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of July. If you are unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is a $14 monthly beauty subscription where you'll get 5 travel try me size items. We do get some full size items occasionally and it's supposed to be a value of around $70. I do get my own bag and my mother-in-law lets me open her bag before she does, so thank you to her. First, I'm gonna go into my bag. And the reason I like to do the Ipsy versus Ipsy is to kind of see, are we all getting different things? Do we get different variations? But most importantly, are they actually listening to our profiles? My profile is light to medium skin. I have dark eyes and dark hair. I am very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. And then we'll talk her deets when I get to her bag. Clearly they ran out of bags because I'm pretty sure this is about the 3rd time that I've received this exact same bag. So it is what it is. This month's theming is Passport to Glow. And then inside your little card, I'm not gonna look, I'll show you guys, you'll get information and deets about the products that are in your bag. And I really like getting the Ipsy Glam bag because I feel like, for me personally, because we do travel, we go to see our son and stuff like that, for me it's an easy way to kind of have travel necessities, but then I also use these items to pay it forward. I add them in bags and stuff like that and packages when I do sales in my resale group. But it's also a really, really good way if you are a newbie to makeup as well to build a makeup and skincare collection for not a lot of money. First thing right on top is the Frank Body Glycolic Body Scrub. Break up unwanted bumps thanks to my AHA and niacinamide blend. Next up is the 8 Saints Up the Ante Anti-Aging Night Cream with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides. Next up is from Rose & Quartz. This is the Muse Mask Hydrating and Silicone-Free Treatment, vegan and cruelty-free. I guess it's a hair mask infused with Facet Fix, our patented bond builder, which repairs at a molecular level. So yes, I'm assuming so. That sounds really nice, and I do color treat my hair, so I could probably use a really good deep conditioning. Next up is the Kitano Beauty Hydrating Lip Glaze in the shade or the scent or the fragrance Blush. And then last up in my bag is the First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty, the Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide. Oh my gosh, that sounds great. I love products like this. I will swatch this really quickly so we can all see what it looks like. I do like the little component. Obviously this is a mini. Ooh. Oh, I think I'm gonna love these. Very warm, very bronzy, very, very lightweight. They almost feel like a very thin serum and a good level of glow, but without any type of glitter or anything. If you've tried this, please let me know. Wow, I'm gonna love that. I would try it right now, but I don't want to disrupt my makeup. So pretty much we got 2 more makeup type items, and then the rest was in fact more like skincare, body care, things like that. So let me read up on the deets of my bag very quickly. I will get this up close as well. First up was our First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide. Did you just get back from vacation, or is it just these glowy bronzer drops? They'll never know. This serum helps visibly even skin tone, blur your pores, and hydrate, all while giving you a sheer bronze kiss of color. Tip, shake it first, then spread a few drops of the serum over your face for a sun-kissed glow. I personally like to either just put like my SPF or a tinted moisturizer and mix this in with it, or I will do that and then press this in kind of like the high points of my cheek. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size will be $28. I feel like that's a really good price for a product like this. Next up was our 8 Saints, the Anti-Aging Night Cream. Need an anti-aging boost? This night cream has you covered. It's formulated with vitamin B3, peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help firm, increase collagen production, and lock in moisture. You'll wake up with skin that looks and feels more plump and vibrant. and I have very dry skin, so this is going to be great. Gently massage the night cream into your clean skin before bedtime. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $44. Next up is the Katana Beauty Hydrating Lip Glaze in Blush, a nourishing lip treatment that doubles as a high shine rosy pink gloss. Yes, please. This one is infused with vitamin E for deep moisture that's never sticky, so your lips stay soft and supple all day. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. Next up is our Frank Body Glycolic Body Scrub. Sick of body breakouts, bumps, and dryness? This body scrub is the ultimate solution. Glycolic acid helps clear out your pores, while witch hazel and niacinamide help soothe and calm to reduce acne and redness. That sounds great also. Tip: in the shower, massage the scrub into your wet skin using circular motions, then rinse off. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $22. And last but not least is our Rose and Quartz Muse Hair Mask. Be your own hair muse thanks to this deeply hydrating yet feather light mask. It's made to help repair and restore strands with Facet Fix. It also helps to enhance natural movement and shine so your hair can look and feel its best. Massage into the hair from root to tip, rinse out after 5 minutes. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size product would be $36. This sounds great. I also want to note too, I love this type of packaging. First of all, it's sleek, compact. You can literally throw it into your purse, throw it into your overnight bag, but you can reseal it, so I feel like you're not wasting product. It's not going to leak out on you, and you can literally roll it up from the bottom, so you're going to get every single drop of product. So I love that. I love these types of products. So yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts. Not my all-time favorite bag, but still good, and I'm still thrilled. Next up is my mother-in-law's bag. She has light hair, light skin, light eyes. She's semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants a ton of makeup. And I also like to ask you guys too, before I get into her bag, comment down below, who do you think is going to have the better bag this month? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation, y'all. All right. She has the exact same bag. Yeah, I'm just assuming, y'all, that they ran out of bags this month. I don't know. All right. Okay, first up in her bag is the Luscious Hand Cream by Refreshments in Jasmine Sunrise. Pretty dang good size in there too, y'all. Next up, she got the Mo Beauty Divinely Defined Precision Brow Pencil and Brush. Next up, she got Ilovie Liquid Foundation in Beige Shade number 2. She's gonna love that. She loves foundation, y'all. Next up in her bag, I might have to trade her for these because I love these. These are the Fab or First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. And there are 10 pads in here. And then last but not least, I'm seeing bubble wrap, which is always a good sign. And she is a makeup lover for sure. And I'll show you on the card. I'm not opening this. It's not mine. This is the Live Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. And the shades are 24K, Matte Base, Rose Gold, Cut Crease, Blended, and Accent. So I like that they're kind of giving you a guide. So she got a foundation, she got a brow product, she got a hand cream, she got the pads. I like her bag better. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit jealous, y'all. I'm a little bit green with envy. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving her bag a 5 out of 5. I think that's a real good bag. All right, let's jump into her deets. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, normally you would have all of your information like it was in my card. Yeah, well, I can't really tell you a whole lot about them products. Yeah, I think she won. Comment down below, though, and let me know. I actually do feel like my bag was more skincare heavy and her bag was definitely more makeup heavy. That is it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I hope you'll consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help us as creators, and I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.